Okay, here we are in week one. Welcome to week one. The first thing you're going to do in week one is do your certification and your pre-test, and then you're going to go into making sure that you have this checklist here. And then here we have your due dates for your work. Now, I'd like you to have your pre-test. Please do that by Wednesday, and then your certification, get that done before you do any work. You're not graded on your pre-test, of course, like in other courses, but it does help the university statistics to figure out how well they're doing with teaching you material. So here we have, you're going to do your first discussion post by Thursday, your second discussion by Saturday, and by Sunday at the latest, the third discussion post. And those posts, the second and third, of course, are to your peers. They're responses to your peers' initial post, not peers. So like say if somebody responds to you and you say, "Oh, thank you for you responding to me. These are further thoughts that I have." That doesn't count as your third discussion post. So only your post to your peers' initial posts. So next thing you're going to do is look at your chapter PowerPoints, review. These research workshops are not graded, but they will help you to get acquainted with the whole feel of research. So do look at those. We're going to go back to week one. I like this screensaver. Look at the chapter PowerPoints. These will help you to prepare for your exams. This gives you a sense of the uses of qualitative versus quantitative research. You'll be looking into this. The main thing about qualitative research is it's non-statistical, and quantitative research is statistical. And we love numbers and statistics, so this is treated as often as hard science. This is treated often as soft science. I don't agree, but but here we'd have sort of your case studies would fall in the non-statistical area. And there's a tremendous amount of data in non-statistical research. So here we have your week one project, which is your first stepping stone to completing your final project. Your discussion area will open up here and all of the requirements, and then this is all the material that you're going to, and then you click here to enter your discussion forum. Usually I don't take this much time to do a recording, but I wanted you to get familiar with what's going on here. Do your midterm exam review, read the weekly summary, and get acquainted with your final project. And be sure to ask questions. Okay, that's it from me for now, and I look forward to seeing you in the classroom.